Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'll be summarizing the logic and the setup that I looked after for the trades that I've taken from day 10 to day 13. So let's start ahead with the video. Over here, if you see, then I have Nifty on a 5 minute time frame basis. So on Monday, I saw there was a setup being formed over here. There was a gap down in the Monday morning, and then Nifty took around support around 19,480 odd levels, and then from there we saw Nifty bounce till 19,580 levels. So almost 100 points it rallied in the intraday basis. So with that aspect, um, if you see here on a 5 minute time frame basis, I have here there was a resistance at this point. Nifty had taken resistance at this point, similar basis, and then there was some consolidation and even support, minor support, kind of like exactly not at this point, but there was a support happening around 19,600. Even the Nifty tried to take around here on Monday morning around 19,600 levels, similar basis. So wherein there was a support at this point, the similar basis there was a resistance at this point. So with this aspect, and along with that, we I had a 200 moving average over here on a 5 minute time frame, and then I entered over here at this around 580 or 585 levels, and then from there I took a quick trade wherein my first target was around the opening price of the Nifty on the Monday morning. So from there itself we saw a doji, and then I exited from the trade. I think I was able to make around 3k profit from this trade. So Tuesday morning, I was not able to make any trades as there was a gap up, and then there was a slight consolidation happening at this point. And then we saw a sharp momentum, throughout the day. And in the end of the day, there was a slight consolidation, and the Nifty retraced over here. So I took around 1,000 quantities of the calls, at the money strike price of 19,700, 500 quantities, and 19,750 I had around 500 quantities. So the capital that I used for both the trades were lesser than 50,000. However, I took um, the PNL for the least one out of this, so which came for the 19,750. So the logic behind this trade was, let me move on to hourly time frame basis. If you see here, the same logic over here is the point. Nifty had taken the resistance at this point on the hourly time frame basis, and when Nifty took breakout of this point, and then there was a consolidation happening at this point, and Nifty retraced, and there was a slight consolidation happening similar to the 19,670 levels over here. So and even on the Friday, if you see, there was a Nifty gap down, and then the similar level we have seen the Nifty taking support exactly. So this was a logic for the trade. On the Tuesday end of the day, around 5 to 10 minutes before the market closing, I made my position. So Monday morning after Wednesday morning, I booked in all the position in the early morning within 15 to 30 seconds of the market opening. So I was able to make overall around 33,000 or 34,000 for the both the trades. However, for individual trade, I was able to make around like 90,000 and 13,000 respectively for the trades. So let me move to the 5 minute time frame for the day 12 that I took, for the trade which I had taken. So on Thursday itself, expiry day. So over here, if you see, Nifty opened a slight gap up around 10 points over here, and Nifty was around 19,850 levels. Yeah, hardly it went to the 19,850 odd level. So with that aspect, I because on the Wednesday also there was a resistance that had happened over here, and then there was a full consolidation on the entire day. So with this, I entered in this trade around. I was able to make around like 1,200 or something, because my trailing stop loss was tight, as there was a lot of consolidation happened over here. My expectation was like it might give us some slight breakout being expired. So I exited from the trade with the trailing stop loss. However, this trade would have given a handsome results, because the premium that the option that I entered had a premium of around 40 rupees as my average price, early morning wherein I had made the position. So around like morning, around exactly, if I show you the timing, around 9:55 to 10 o'clock, this premium went on to around 100 rupees exactly. 98 or 99 rupees was the high of the debt. So I had around 800 quantities with this, it would have been a great trade. but I was bit hesitate I had hesitation over here because of the price action that I had formed over here. So that was for the day 12. And yesterday I had made a position in the put side again, at this point exactly around 19,750, 19,725 odd level. So I entered over here also. I was able to make around a 2k profit, because the premium was not that great, because Nifty had gap down, and then there was a huge buying momentum in the first candle itself. Later on, however, the premium that I had entered was around like 114 rupees was my average price for the 19,750 put. And then however this put on went on to 128 to 130 rupees, but the premium the no then this premium went down to 105 rupees, and then again it went down to 123. So with that in the range, I kept my SL around 119, so I was able to make around 2000 profit from this overall yesterday's trade. So cumulatively, if I add the trades that I had taken, the profit that I made from the trades was around like 21,500. However, wherein I took the overnight position, I am considering the least one. However, if I consider the maximum also, it would be like around 25,000 to 26,000, or I guess so. But I'm considering the least one that I had taken for the overnight position. So I hope you guys able to understand the logic and the trade setup that I identified, and what was the logic that I was looking for, to anticipate my targets and SL. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next week for the summary videos. See you. Bye.